Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. All right, your daily update. In general, I'm not sure where the price was yesterday. I think the price yesterday was still in like under this trend line, and what I told you, and that was, well, in my eyes, that's in line with the current structure of Solana, and also my expectation. So what I said yesterday is that this looked like, especially on the 4-hour time frame, if you take into consideration that Solana on the 4-hour time frame, you can see very clearly is in some sort of an uptrend, right? We're making higher lows, we're making higher highs. That's an uptrend. So what I said yesterday is that, all right, well, it's the weekend. In general, there's just not a lot of momentum in the markets, so you should not expect us to rally with momentum. But this also, while we were making some lower highs right here, it just seems like this support level right here, the green one between 190 and 194 ultimately, is strong enough to hold us up, to provide support, and to eventually let us break out. So we already got that breakout yesterday evening. Then we found resistance here at 204 in the middle of the night. And then what happened this morning is that Bitcoin had a little bit of a flush, or at least a bit of a drop into the liquidity zone, into 69,000, the bottom of the range. So far it has been finding support. So I still think that Solana is good to go. All right, we have already talked about the fundamentals extensively in the last couple of days, so I don't think we need to touch upon that too much. But right now also, like I said, the technicals are also still very bullish. All right, after breaking above this resistance level right here at 194, we've only held that. All right, so we have had no bearish confirmation technically. We were quite bullish over the course of the last 12 hours. The only reason that we dropped down was Bitcoin. And now, obviously, we are, and the momentum is still looking good as well, by the way. But right now, the only thing we need to look at is Bitcoin. All right, because if Bitcoin actually does pull back lower right now, that could be a problem for Solana. Because if Bitcoin pulls down lower due to the correlation and due to the Bitcoin dominance, which is not too high, but it's also definitely not low, due to the Bitcoin dominance and that correlation, that could mean that Solana pulls back below 194. And once Solana starts falling down below 192 and 194, then we might have a problem. I don't think that's anything to worry about yet. Like I said, and I'll show you this once more. The fundamentals behind Solana are amazing. All right, so if you look at that total value locked at this point of time, it's at $13.9 billion. So that has made a new all-time high. So there's a big divergence because the price is not at the all-time high. All right, so in general, expect some consolidation, expect some volatility right here at the start of the week. Main level to watch is 192, 194. If we break down below that, all right, well then we are in some trouble. But for now, there's no technical or fundamental reason to believe that that will happen. And I think it's more likely that we'll just consolidate down here, but eventually move up to 210 and potentially even break above that. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day and bye.